Everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting with our question number 9. Let's look at the question. Following is the balance sheet of Prateek, Rocky and Kushal as on March 31, 2017. Books of Prateek, Rocky and Kushal is as follows. So in the balance sheet what we have? We have sundry creditors, general reserve, capitals of Prateek, Rocky and Kushal. Then bills receivable, furniture, stocks, sundry debtors, cash at bank and cash at hand. After that, Rocky died, and when he died on 30th June 2017. So the financial year already started on 1st April. So April, May and June, for 3 months Rocky was there. So he should get at least 3 months salary, commission, profit. Okay. Now, under the terms of partnership deed, the executors of a deed, deceased partner were entitled to amount standing to the credit of partner's capital account, interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum, and share of goodwill on the basis of twice the average of past 3 years profit. Share of profit from the closing date of the last financial year to the date of debt on the basis of last year's profit. Okay, so this was the year 2017. So profit for the year ending 15, 16 and 17 were as follows. Profit was shared in the ratio of capital. Okay, past necessary journal entry and drop Rocky's capital account to be rendered to his executor. Okay, great. So 3:2 is the profit sharing ratio. Okay, let's solve this. So what do we all have to give to Rocky? So let's write all that down. Okay, so what do we have to give? Interest on capital we have to give. Then what do credit balance of capital, then goodwill we have to give, and also share in profit. Okay, so these 4 things we have to give to Mr. Rocky. So let's start calculating all these things. First of all, like interest on capital, if I see, so 20,000 was his capital, 5% per annum is the rate of interest, and he was there for this year for 3/12 months only, April, May and June. So that comes to rupees 250. Goodwill also, average of 3 years profit. So 3 years profit was 12, 16 and 14. Divided by 3, and it was 2 years purchase, I guess. So 28, 38, 42, 42 by 3. So that comes to 42, 80, okay, 42 by 3 only let's do. So 3 ones are 3, 14,000 into 2 comes to 28,000. And in that Rocky's share was 2 upon 3:2, 2 upon 7, which gives me 7 4s are 28, so 8,000. Okay. Share in profit on the basis of last year's profit. 14,000 was the last year's profit for the entire year. So for 3 months how much it should be, and in that Rocky's share. So let's see. 7 1, 7 2 is 14. Okay, then 3 1, 3 4, 2 1, 2 4. 1,000 is his share of profit. Yes. Okay. Credit balance we'll get when we are going to make the that capital account. Last thing that we need to know is the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio. It should be. See, earlier ratio, we don't in fact have to calculate gaining ratio. Why? Because the new ratio is not given. I told you if someone goes, just delete his share. Okay. So what is remaining? 3:2. It becomes the gaining ratio. So these are just the rough calculation. We can do it in fair also. But these are the figures that we'll be needing to solve this question. Okay. So let's do it. Okay, what all things that we have to give to him? First of all, we have to give interest on capital. Okay, so journal entries, if we see, so when he died in the year 2017 on 30th June, correct? Yeah, so that will be the date in the firm's account, INTEREST on capital account debit, okay, and we calculated it to be rupees 250. Then P&L suspense for the share of profit, we calculated to be rupees 1000. Okay, let's look at the balance sheet. Is there anything that we have to give? Oh yes, see, there is general reserve also. So Mr. Rocky should have a share in this general reserve. How much share? This 16,000, in that Rocky's share comes to 3/7. Okay, it's not perfectly divisible. So let's divide it. 16 into 3/7. Oh, it's not 3, right? It's 2. 2/7. We are still not perfectly divisible. No? Into 2/7. 457, 1.43, 4571. Okay, Rocky share. So that also will be given. Okay, and all these things will go to Rocky's capital. $4,000 plus 1,000, 5,000, 821. Yeah, 5281. Okay. Now, this was our first journal entry. The second journal entry on the same date we have to do. Now, in the second journal entry, we have to give the goodwill. So, who will give? Gaining partners will give to the sacrificing partner. Who are the gaining partners? What are the name? Pratik and Kushal. And we already calculated what was Rocky's goodwill. It was 8,000 rupee, and this 8,000 who was supposed to give to him? These two surviving partners who are the gaining partners in the ratio 3:2. So for 8,000 by 5, 1,600 into 3, 4,800 and 3,200. Okay. So see, Rocky is getting 8,000, Rocky is getting 5,821. Okay. So let's make Rocky's capital account also. It was asked, and we'll get to know how much will go to the executor's account. We don't have to make other partners' capital account. Yeah. Okay. So let's bring down the balance. That was 20,000. That's how we got to know the profit sharing ratio. Then he was getting interest on capital. Then he was getting share of profit. Payroll suspense account, that was 1,000. His share of general reserve. Okay, these were the three things. Then by Prateek's capital and by Kushal's capital. $4,800 and 200. These are the things that are remaining. So 20 and 8, 28 and 8, 30, 21, 25, 33. So that will be the amount that will go to Rocky's executor. Three, 3821. In fact, we have to pass the journal entry for this too. Okay, yeah, we can do it here. Same date, okay? The dates are same. And with this, the question is done. Okay, so we were only asked to prepare Rocky's capital account, and we did that, and the journal entries that we had to pass. And this is just the rough calculation that we had to do for that. Okay, thank you.